Keeping your WordPress site up to date is crucial for security, performance, and accessing the latest features. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to update your WordPress theme safely and efficiently. First, always start with a complete backup of your website. This ensures that if anything goes wrong during the update, you can restore your site without losing any data. For most themes, updating is straightforward. Simply head over to your WordPress dashboard. Then go to Updates or Appearance Greater Than Themes. Here, you'll see an option to update now. Clicking this will automatically update your theme to the latest version. It's quick, safe, and perfect for themes that haven't been customized. But what if your theme has custom code or modifications? Direct updates could overwrite your changes. In this case, the safest approach is to create a child theme first. A child theme preserves your customizations while letting you update the parent theme without losing your work. Alternatively, you can manually update your theme using FTP by uploading the new version directly to your server. Updating regularly keeps your site secure and running smoothly, and taking a few precautions ensures your customizations stay intact. By following these simple steps, you can keep your WordPress themes fresh and your website optimized without any stress. Remember, updating your theme is not just about new features, it's about keeping your website safe and performing at its best.